Get this side situated. So we got this whole like latch mechanism thing. This 1-inch bar, it has to get attached to the car somehow. And if you pull this pin, then this whole handle levers over on there, and part of the pin is captured on the plate that's welded, that's stationary, and the other handle kind of, you know, clips over like that. So for this side, take some of this, gonna pop that there. The only thing is that because this is stationary, you can see I'm working with fucking millimeters. So the end of that bar ends right there, and that's the door. So as the door opens, it's gonna have to come past that bar. And so my thought to, instead of like fucking around, making sure even like with welding, distortion, whatever, like I don't end up nicking this bar, is to basically make a tuleka, bore this out in here, and have this like a threaded stud back here so that this is adjustable in and out. He also said that he might want to run this as a stainless piece because, you know, this thing's steel, all this rubbing, it's going to start rusting out. So in that scenario, then, you know, this piece can be replaceable after it wears out sometime. So I think that's the route I'm going to go. I just have to find some material that's smaller than this, but bigger than this to kind of machine that contraption. But it should be relatively easy. And then I just got to punch a hole in here, and then I could attach that to there. But yeah, these pieces came together, but this 10 gauge plate, you could see it kind of ended right here, so I had to extend the whole fucking thing, but it's just kind of tacked on for now. But yeah, once that is kind of located, then I have another datum to reference to let that shit hang on, so I can cut this apart. And then this is all kind of flat in either direction, but I'm thinking with the weight and all this, I actually might do this like a degree back, just because if I take that bungee cord off, it ever so slightly starts wanting to swing. So have it flat this way, but, you know, just the slightest back, just so like if dude's wife is fucking opening this, it doesn't fucking swing out on her. But yeah, I think that's where it's at. But once this is in here, I'm also considering doing like a gusset that kind of, you know, triangulates this, just like a piece of 10 gauge that goes up in here all the way. But that's still some like final stuff. Still got to figure out the tire. Still have to figure out how I'm gonna hold the tire up in here to kind of mock up to figure it out. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you're having a good one. Keep japping.